All right, guys, we are here today with Matt Rojana at Position Advance. What are we doing today, Matt?
We're doing solid transmission mounts.
BRS, Bilt Racing Services.
BRS.
So this is going on the track car. We decided to opt for the solid ones and not semi-solid, so they're not polyurethane because race car. Do you have any experience with solid transmission mounts in cars you've driven?
I do, but on my S2000.
Do you notice a big difference?
I mean, it vibrated the car all to hell and back. But on a track car, I think it's kind of acceptable. A street car, I probably wouldn't do it again. But
so a lot of times with the Cayman, a lot of people complain about that is when they switch to solid engine motor mounts. So when people do the solid transmission mounts, they recommend don't do the engine mounts. Did you do the engine mounts too?
I did. I did engine, transmission, and diff.
Okay, so do you think we're gonna have as much vibration? Maybe hopefully just a little bit?
I think so. Especially with your interior being gutted, you can expect.
Yeah.
I would expect it.
So, I mean, sound is cool because that way we get that whining sound that you hear a lot in race cars.
That's all you want.
I'm okay with that, but too much vibration, I don't think so. But LN themselves said just don't do the solid engine mounts and you should be good. So we're gonna install these today. They're like, see, this is for the 987. It says 987 only. It uses this washer, but these are also designed to work on the 981. So this is for the Cayman and the Boxster.
Oh, if it's a 981.
If it's a 981 too. So basically, on the instructions right here, they give you for 987 use these holes and then the mounts face towards the inside of the car, and then on the 981 use those holes and then this the pointy side points to the outside of the car. So we're going to be pointing in and using the flat side holes. So we're going to go through this install process. Hopefully it all goes smooth. Based on instructions online, so there should be like 3 15s. All right, so they're definitely 15s. This holds the bracket to the transmission, and then there's this brace bar right here, and then these should be 13s. 13s right here, one on each side, and that holds the actual mount. This is the mount right here. So other side, same thing. This looks a lot easier to access, and then the two 13s right here holding the mount. So we're gonna take those off. This is the stock one. So we gotta undo this nut.
Where's that?
So this is it. That's the new one going in. So it's gonna go like that. Yeah. Okay. All right. So loosen. Yeah. I guess people say you have to put this in a vise. Otherwise, you could like bend this bracket, but if you have an impact, it'll just zap right off.
Cool.
Pro tip.
Look at the difference.
Yeah. All right, let's get this thing back in.
Okay.
Torquing this down. Okay. Time to put this thing back in, Matt. I'm really hoping this isn't the hardest part of the whole thing.
Why'd you say that?
Yeah, buddy. All right, we're gonna leave this loose. Hey, this is easy, bro. Not bad. All right, guys, we just finished one side. Look at this guy. We've been working hard. It is installed. There's a solid tranny mount. We got blue Loctite all over this thing. Thank God we have this thing. Note to self: you need a tranny or exhaust jack thing. Pull jack? What's it called?
Pull jack.
Pull jack to hold up the tranny. Otherwise, you're gonna have a bad time trying to get the screws in for the mount. But we are going to do the other side. I feel like every video I make, we do one side and then we do the other side. But I always fast forward to the other side. You don't need to see the other side. So we'll be back.
We can do it, you can do it.
That only took us an hour and a half. We have no idea what we're doing. We've never done this before. Champagne campaign. We gotta torque everything down. It's time to go for a drive.
How expired your tags are?
Are they still expired? Oh shit, you're
Bro,
right.
can we talk about how expired that is?
You know, before that one, under there is a 2014 one. I swear to God. I'm not running Toyos anymore. No longer sponsored life.
Oh.
New content.
Done.
We did it! We did it! Just waiting for Matt to close up shop. Hopefully it makes a difference. Pretty excited about this one.
Yeah, it's fine.
Always on the phone.
Annoying.
Initial reactions. Alright, we're gonna see if it makes... I mean, there's no real vibration, right?
It's actually not bad at all.
Yeah. I mean, these are cup style tranny mounts. Should we go, let's go this way? That way we can make a left in the mobile. Not loud at all.
Oh, you can definitely hear it.
Yeah, here it sounds more race car, but it doesn't have as loud of like a whine.
Sounds more race car.
It definitely feels more solid.
It feels solid, I was about to say.
Yeah. Like there's no slop. Alright guys, that sums up
We
the
got three
installation.
thumbs up.
3 thumbs up. Thanks for watching.